My intuition is
Amazon. So today is going to be a fairly large Fashion Nova haul, and I do have one item from Amazon that I want to try on as well. So this is a couple orders. I've been waiting so I could do them all in one video. So yeah, let's jump right into it. The first one, all right, I have to be honest, I actually wore this because I have not tried anything else on, but I tried this on and I was just like so in love with it. I just wore it the rest of the day. But so I don't remember the name of it, but I'll put it on the screen. So I'm just gonna try it on for you guys real quick so you can see how cute it is. All right, so as you can see, I mean, it's just a simple like mini dress, but it is so comfortable. It's not like overly tight. It's a very soft material and it's just so cute. I wore it with like a longer denim jacket. Looked really good. It does have adjustable straps, which us tall girls do thank you for. And there is a tiny little slit in the back. I think this is just like the perfect like dress that you can just throw a jacket on, and go do almost anything. So I'm really in love with this. All right, next. You guys know me and my leopard. If you don't, you'll find out real quick. All right, this is, I'm usually not one who likes to show their midsection, but I'm hoping this will cover up some of it. This is the No Expectations Maxi dress, and I got this in a size large. So yeah, wish me luck. Okay. I'm not very comfortable. I don't know. Like, it does cover like what I consider like the bad area of my stomach, and the reason why I ordered it, even though I am not very comfortable showing my midsection, is because I have this beautiful tattoo that I never get to show unless I'm wearing a bathing suit. And I thought this would be, you know, like a way that I could show it off and, you know, still wear a cute dress. I don't know. I am still deciding. For some reason I thought that it had a slit on both sides, but it doesn't. It has one long slit on one side, and I don't know. I do like it. I wish it were a tiny bit longer, but that's just me. I'm sure it'll be a perfect length for any normal person who's on Amazon. So here's the back. I don't know, what do you guys think? I probably would have to wear a jacket or something with it. I don't think I would feel comfortable wearing just this. But, all right, let's move on. Okay, so I tried on this dress in a previous Fashion Nova haul, but I ordered it in a size large, which is my typical size, but it was a little tight. I love the dress so much, so I returned that one and I ordered it in an extra large. So this is the Not Like the Other Girls mini dress. It's size extra large. So fingers crossed that it makes a difference in how this dress looks. Okay, here it is. So when I first tried it on, I actually felt it was a little bit too big, but I tightened these strings here, and I could probably even tighten them a little bit more, and I think it looks better. I just love this dress so much. I don't know. If you guys saw my haul where I tried on this in the size large, do you think this one looks better? Let me know in the comments. If you haven't, just let me know what you think about this in general. Okay, so this is lined. It has a little lining in the front. Sorry for the boobage. And then there is a tie in the back, and then it zippers up. I don't know, I just really love this dress. All right, next, you know guys, I order stuff and then I wonder what I was thinking when I order it. I'm sitting here telling you how uncomfortable I am to show my midsection, and then I order something like this. Once I figure out how it goes on, I'll come back with it on. This is the Too Good For You Maxi dress. That's right. Alright, and I got this in a size large. Let's pray I can figure it out. Alright, that was legit the hardest dress I've ever had to put on. The most difficult to figure out. See, I mean, it's confusing as it is, but then here in the front, there's elastic, so that makes me think it's the back. So, yeah, I had to like refer to the picture, and oh my, like, I really like this. I don't know, like, I think this would be cute to wear to like a pool party or something, but I live in Florida, and you see how tan I am? That tells you how much I go to the pool. But just really anything in the summer. And like I can always just throw a jacket on over it if I feel too exposed. But I think it's just a really unique design, a really cute dress. It's super comfortable. This material is so soft. It has a slit here. It is also lined a little bit. And it's actually very comfortable because there's elastic in the front, which I've never experienced before, as well as the back, the top and bottom. Oh, let me fix that. Let me fix my boobies here. So as long as you can figure out how to get it on, I really like it. All right, next I have this other outfit that looks difficult to put on. It's a short set. So it has little shorts and then whatever this is. So I guess I'm gonna go figure out what it is. Oh, but before I do that, I bought a purse and it kind of goes with this dress, so let me get it. Oh, that's really cute. So here's what it looks like up close in the back, and here's inside. And can we adjust this strap? No. But it's okay. I think that's really cute. I like this little thing dangling here. All right. Yeah. I feel like I'm like supposed to be in the movie Boogie Nights. Oh my gosh, I wanted to be Roller Girl for Halloween one year because I used to get told that I looked like Heather Graham when I was younger. But if anyone's seen that movie, let me know in the comments. Or am I getting too old? You guys, my birthday's in like 2 months. And I can't even say like I'm in my early to mid 30s anymore. Like I'm gonna be closer to 40 than 30. I can't deal. That's why I'm ordering all these huge outfits. I'm trying to wear them before I get too old. No, I'm just kidding. I think, even though that may be the subconscious reason. All right, let me go try on that short set. Oh my God, this outfit is the bomb. Oh my gosh, how freaking cute is this? So it comes with these little shorts. This material almost feels like pajamas. Like I feel like I'm wearing pajamas. And then this little, I don't know what you want to call it, gown, cape, combination of both. And so it does, we got the slit in the middle, and then we also have slits in the side. So how freaking, this is so freaking adorable. Oh my gosh, I am so mad. I ordered like the same kind of set in a different print, and I sent it back without even trying it on because I was like, oh, I don't want like 2 of the same set. But if I would have known how cute it was, I definitely would have kept it. Oh my gosh, and then here is the back. I'm in love. It does, I probably could have gone a size down, to be honest, because like even tying this as tight as it will go, it's still a little loose, so just keep that in mind. But I am in love. Okay, so next, I I'm so excited to try this on. When I saw this on the website, I was like, this is so me. I have to get it. I'm an introvert and I just kind of keep to myself. So, all right, this is a little biker short set. So, oh, I drop it on the floor. Both of them. I really did not mean to. So we have the black biker shorts here. Then we have it's upside down. You get the idea. And then a mesh shirt that goes over it. So this is the Clear Signs biker short set. And I think I had a 30% off promo code. So after that it was $31.49. So I'm gonna go try it on. Okay, I never really like hopped on the whole biker short trend that's been going on, but when I saw this I was like, okay, maybe it's time I hop on that train. I love this. Oh my god. And it's like, it's not so obvious where people are gonna be like, fuck, does that say fuck off on her boobs? But oh my god, I just love this. It's super comfortable. It feels like I'm wearing like just clothes I would lounge around the house in. And all right, so let me show you. Here is it's basically just like a bikini top, the high-waisted biker shorts, and then the sheer shirt. I am officially in love. Who needs a man when you got cute clothes? You know what I'm saying? I did get a pair of earrings. Let me just try those on real quick. These are the You're My Everything hoop earrings. I don't know about that, but here's what they look like. They have like some rhinestone detailing on the front. Okay. Okay, I like them. Very pretty. They're not like too big. I like the rhinestone detailing. All right, so next I just have a couple of like graphic tees. So I'll just like keep these biker shorts on and then put the tees on. The first one, I always forget to order a smaller size when I order the shirts from there, but it's a Barbie shirt. If I were to be a Barbie, I would be hip hop Barbie and also nurse Barbie, I guess. But if you were a Barbie, what kind of Barbie would you be? Let me know in the comments below. All right, I'm gonna go try this on real quick. Okay, I'm actually kind of glad that I did get it in a large so that it's big enough to where I can tie it in a knot. And the sleeves just looked way too big, so I rolled them up, but with a little tweaking, this is a super cute shirt. So I could always wear this out, or I could wear it like as a pajama shirt or whatever. And my next graphic shirt, I actually already have this in black, but this describes me to a T, so I felt I needed it in another color. My extra bougie self. So I think I did get this one in a medium. So let me try her on. So I actually should have gotten a large in this. This shirt is a smaller fit than the Barbie one. I can definitely tell, but that's okay. I still love it, and I will probably just wear it with like jean shorts or maybe even these. I have to go run a UPS, so I think I just might wear this. But yeah, I do have one more thing I want to try on. It's not from Fashion Nova, it's from Amazon, but wait till you see it. You ready? Like, yes, can we please talk about the glam factor of this. Oh my god! So many crystals, it's so pretty. So it does have like a built-in bodysuit because the bottom is sheer. Yeah, let me go try it on. I hope it looks good. I'm so extra. Clearly. Oh my god. I'm in love. Let me get up a little closer. So then it does have a sheer little part down the side. You can't really tell that it's, I mean, you can tell that it's sheer in the bottom, but like from far away, it doesn't really look like it. The only thing is I wish that these straps were adjustable, but I love it. I don't know where I will wear it. I wasn't invited to the Grammys this year or ever. Maybe my birthday that's coming up, which I'm trying not to think of, remind myself of, because I'm getting hella old. But here is the back. Oh, stress. I'm in love. Alright guys, let me know what you think. What was your favorite piece in this haul? Let me know. Alright guys, I love you. I'm gonna go be my glam self and get my bag. Alright, I will see you next time. Bye.